The best and more effective recipe of pretzel, you can do it at home. Look at that. And in this video, I will explain you how to get the perfect result, the beautiful color, the Lye Bath, how to shape those baby and cook them till perfection. There are many recipes that I saw on YouTube, but this is the most simple and effective. Follow till the end. Unbelievable result. Perfect outside, super soft inside, unbelievable taste, really particular of the pretzel. That's the one, guys. I'm a professional. What to do? Look at that. There are two secrets for the perfect pretzel: love and drain cleaner. First is easy, but for the second one we will speak in later on about. And don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for notification and comment below. Ingredients: 500 gram all-purpose flour, choose high protein flour. This is 23%. Dry yeast, 10 gram. 15 gram of honey, 10 gram of salt, 25 gram of butter. And don't forget your pretzel salt. You can find, of course, in Amazon. I will put all the link in bio. For the best result, water, super cold, put overnight in the fridge, same of the milk. That's the secret. The bath of lye or caustic soda, it's a key. It's just a traditional way. It's the one that gives you the beautiful color and flavor of the pretzel. Follow till the end. Unbelievable result. We put all the ingredients in a bowl of our mixer and we let it go for 40 minutes till the dough is formed. We put on the bench, we form a bowl, we cover with kitchen towel and we let it rest around 20 minutes. When it's soft and relaxed, we just cut it in 9 pieces of 90 gram. After that we transform it in a beautiful bowl, like a pizza bowl. Rest your bowl for another 15 minutes. After that, we just create the first shape. That means we stretch it slowly, leaving the middle part more bold and stretching the corner, and we let it rest again. They don't just need to relax. Let it rest again another 10 minutes. That's it. And after we are ready to shape our final pretzel. Using this recipe, you can freeze your pretzel and save them for later. Look at that. You can chill them, you can defrost them, same cooking time, same oven, nothing changed. But let's go through the details. In a mixing bowl with the flour, we start in this sequence with the salt. After that, yeast and the honey. Butter, room temperature, please. After cold milk, cold water, and we let it go in the machine with the hook for 14 minutes to stimulate the gluten. After that, we remove. The dough need to be smooth, elastic, but not sticky at all. We put it on the bench. We handle it for around 5 minutes to create a smooth ball. We cover and we let it rest. After that, we take our dough when it's relaxed and we portion in 9 balls of 90 gram each. And we create a smooth mini ball, like a pizza ball. We cover again and we let it rest. After, we can give the first shape. We stretch it a little bit, we leave the belly a little bit bold, and we stretch the extremity. And we let it rest again, this time less. When it's rest and relax, we can do the final stretch. If you need, you can help yourself with a little bit of water to wet your hand. And ready for the final shape. We take the stream, we cross them, we fold it, we cross them again, and we stick it to the belly part. Don't forget the cut on the belly. Really traditional on the pretzel. And that's it. And we switch on our oven and we prepare the Lye Bath. Caustic soda is a chemical. That means when it's dry, there is not a problem. But when it's mixed with the water, please dress the gloves, don't smell it, and be careful. And of course, use no corrosive bowl. And that's why we are back to the drain cleaner. Push it through the drainer. It's allowed this many of the building, but I suggest you to check. If you are scary or you don't have, you can use baking soda a piece. We need 1 liter water, cold water, and 30 grams of caustic soda or lye. I will put the link in bio, everything coming from Amazon. Remember that before you pour the water and after slowly you dissolve the lye into the water. If you put the lye and the water on top, you got an explosion. Don't forget to manage with care. Whisk till the lye is dissolved. And don't forget your gloves. And time for our bath. Don't forget, after your bath, to sprinkle them with your pretzel salt. Actually, it's extremely simple. The best, easy, and you can enjoy with your butter, with your mustard, or alone. When are hot, guys? Are beautiful, look at that. And don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for notification, and comment below. Incredible flavor, like in Germany, or much better. Unbelievable result, look at that. Are perfect. Make your own, guys. Chef Luca, Chef Eileen, this is live in full flavor from Abu Dhabi. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and
subscribe.